Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you are watching the post-market show. So today's market, as you can see, it was a massive profit booking. Nifty opening with a gap up. People who are long, they got good profits. And what do people do? They obviously started booking profits, and once a particular group starts booking profits, markets come down. That creates a panic, and the rest join, and that is why a massive profit booking happened. I won't say it's a trend reversal or anything, but it's just a normal profit booking. And what is more concerning is the way the mid caps and small caps fell. As an index, it is more than 3% down, both mid caps and small caps, with individual stocks crashing between 10 and 15%, stocks hitting lower circuit. Things have been pretty much uh, you know, destruction absolutely in the mid caps and small caps. But again, if you look at it, the way they were rising from March, it was again unprecedented rally. The way it was moving up almost at a steep 45-degree plus angle, and this was bound to happen one day or the other, and it has happened. But I believe they have run up pretty much, I mean, on a extremely bullish trajectory, and this kind of profit booking is natural and is healthy for the markets in the longer run, is what I believe. So let's look into the charts and see. This is the Nifty's chart of 15 minutes. You can see markets open with a gap up with the all-time high near 20,110. That was the high for the day. Markets came crashing down, made a low of 19,914. Then markets shot up. From there, again, went above 20,000. Then for the rest of the day, it just consolidated. So overall, Nifty ending almost flat, just slightly negative, just 3 points down. It's 19,993 as a closing level. Bank Nifty in the reds by 0.13%. Similar thing happened at Bank Nifty. As you can see, Bank Nifty, same thing happened, opened with a gap up, then came crashing down, and it took support around this level we had marked, 45,380 levels, then moved up from there, again came down around, took support around 45, 340s, something like that levels, and then again it moved back up, ending between where it had closed yesterday. So it is in a range right now. So it was a negative day, and this is where mid caps and small. You can see in the 15-minute chart the magnitude of the fall. It kept on falling for the first 45 minutes. It was falling and falling, and then there was some recovery. Again, that was used as a selling opportunity. On the daily charts, you can see the quantum of the fall. Last 1, 2, 3, 4 days of gains have been wiped out from mid caps, and similarly with small caps, even larger fall, 3.88%, close to 4% fall. And you can see a massive red candle that engulfs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 last 6 trading sessions. Entire rally was wiped out in just a single day in small caps. So yeah, this is what has happened. You can see never in the past we have seen this big of a candle. So that is what it is. And as you can imagine, most of the sectors have ended in the red, but it was IT which held up the markets. IT is 1% up. Thanks to that, Nifty did not fall much. Nifty actually ended somewhere in the I would say flat region, and the sectors have fallen by massive. Is media. Media is down by 4.3%. Massive fall coming in media. Reality down by 3.2%. Energy down by 2.4%. Metals down by 2.67%. PSU banks, which were extremely bullish yesterday, down by 2.38%, almost nullifying yesterday's gain. And rest of the stocks also fell. Nifty Auto down by 1.86%. There was a news that the diesel vehicles will have a 10% additional GST, and that caused a panic in the automobile stocks. But later it was said that it was not confirmed. So again, they moved up. So they were volatile, definitely. So everything has fallen, even in the Nifty index movers, as you can see. Most stocks have fallen, excepting for some of the IT stocks. TCS, Infosys are moving up significantly. ICICI Bank, L&T, HDFC Bank, ITC. These were the stocks which moved up. And top dragging stocks include Reliance Industries, NTPC, Hindustan Unilever, Power Grid, Tata Motors, Adani Enterprise. So in Nifty 50, it was, I would say, decent, but other mid caps, small caps, absolutely whitewashed with the way markets have fallen. FIIs have become net sellers once again, selling for 1,047 crores. DIIs bought, but for a minimal amount of 259 crores. Net institutional figure remains negative. On the economic front, we did discuss that we have the UK's unemployment rate, it came at 4.3%, which was in line with expectation and slightly above than previous month's data. And India inflation data has come out at 6.83%, below expectation and below last month's estimate. So 6.83 is this current August month's inflation data. Expectation was 7%. It is below that. So India looking fine as of now. But okay, let's see what is there for tomorrow. We have the UK's GDP data coming out tomorrow. What else is there? US inflation data is coming out tomorrow at 6 o'clock. That is going to be interesting. So rest, nothing much is there. Talking about global markets now, let's look at them and how they are trading. S&P 500 is, after ending in the green yesterday, it is slightly down today, but it is still recovering from the lows, so hence a green candle right now. Dow Jones is positive by 0.28%. Nasdaq is down by 0.6%. A mixed US market, I would say. No major trend or anything getting seen. And coming to the European markets, UK markets are 0.46% up, and then French and German markets are slightly down by 0.3 and 0.5%. And Asian markets are mostly negative, barring Japanese market, which is up by close to 1%, but rest of them are down again, not much, by between 0.4 and 0.7%. So Hong Kong markets down by 0.4%, Chinese markets slightly down, Korean markets down by 0.79%, Australian markets slightly up. So this is the overall scenario into the global markets. There is a hint of negativity, I would say, but nothing major as of now. India VIX has shot up once again to 11.69. It has risen by 3% today, still below 12, and let's see where it how high it goes. Crude oil prices are up 2% after consolidating for almost 5-6 days. Now it is back up on the upward trajectory. Next target 92.9, 2.5% up today. But what else is there? Gold prices are coming down. Okay, gold is after trying to move up yesterday, it has fallen today to 1914 levels, pretty much where it was on 6th of September. So for the last 3 days, it hasn't moved anywhere as such. And overall, zinc, aluminum, copper, and all of those has fallen by very slightly. Nothing much significant happening over there. Sugar prices in the international markets have risen by 2.4%. Dollar index is moving up slightly by 2.14%. Indian rupee against dollar is absolutely flat. Nothing has changed. And against euro and pound, Indian rupee did weaken, but now it has gained back strength. It is around 103.4 for pounds, and euro is 88.95. Indian rupee looking stable against those. I think that's absolutely fine for now. Now tomorrow is Bank Nifty expiry, as you know from last week. Wednesdays are the expiry days for Bank Nifty. So what to expect from there? Let's look into that. So Bank Nifty open interest, PCR, the put call ratio has come down from yesterday's 1.4. It has come to 1.06, indicating a slight neutral stance after the markets fell today. A lot of calls have added into the system right across 45,500 and above. So looking at the current levels, 45,500, 45,800 and 46,000 has massive amounts of calls written, and on the downside 45,000 has good support. Nifty similarly, put call ratio again has come down to 1.03, indicating almost flat levels. Again, calls have been added, as you can see, and 20,100, that was the high made today. A lot of calls have added at that place, and below we don't see much puts written that much, but lots of calls added at 20,000 and 20,100 levels. So this is the current scenario for the Nifty's levels. Now for Bank Nifty, the levels to watch out for tomorrow. It has an expiry day, and the levels we had marked, it remains the same, so no major changes happening over there. The way it is placed right now at 45,490, up above 45,650 is a resistance, down below that 45,380, that zone, or today's low is also important, keep that in mind. These will be acting as support. If that is broken, 45,75 up, and then 44,775. Again, not expecting markets to fall below 45,000 given the way it moved up after consolidating for so long. So expecting 45,075 to act as a very, very strong support. Upside 45,654 as we have discussed. Above that 45,900 is an important resistance. So let's see if markets are able to move up tomorrow to that levels. Similarly, Nifty, today's high can be marked as a resistance. Let's draw a line over there because it's in uncharted territory up above. Difficult to say from these levels where the resistance is. So definitely when market move to these levels, it would be consolidating. But we have good supports down below at 19,991. That was the previous all-time high. Then below that 19,870, 19,818. So we have good supports, nothing much to worry about. And this kind of profit booking and consolidation is healthy for the markets. So let's hope that markets consolidate at these levels, doesn't go below 19,500. That could set the tone for a fantastic rally up ahead. And I could see a pattern being formed at Nifty as well, a triangle pattern. So let's see on the smaller time frame of 15 minutes, we can see this pattern. Let's see if the market breaks out from here or breaks down from here. That could give a good momentum tomorrow. So yeah, let's see if this pattern works out tomorrow. I saw this, so I marked it. So we will be discussing all those tomorrow. So the way markets are, there was definitely profit booking happening in Nifty. And like I said, if it consolidates around these levels for a few days, that is definitely fine for the markets, and in fact healthy. That would lead to a further up move in the coming days. But if there is continuous falls and important swing lows and supports are broken, and that could ring the alarm bells, especially below 19,500. I don't think there's much to worry about. So this is all for now. For Bank Nifty, I believe it is consolidating the way it moved up. It has multiple supports and resistances. Expecting consolidating expiry with good moves on both directions tomorrow. VIX is also on the rise, so those kind of moves are in fact anticipated. So that is all from my side. Thank you for watching and have a very good night.